Hi all, today's topic is inverse Laplace transform. The second method is convolution method. So what do you mean by convolution? Means the simple convolution is nothing but star is called convolution. L inverse of f of x into g of x. When I am able to write product of two term f of x and g of x, then we can write a convolution. It is nothing but L inverse of f of x star, it's convolution, L inverse of g of x. Separate it and write. So after writing, we find some answer. That answer, it will be f of t into g of t. I can write it as integral 0 to t f of u g of t minus u du. The reason why we write it in u means you check the limit. Limit is with respect to upper limit. It's with respect to t. If I have it with respect to t itself, okay, already one t is there. In the question t is there, t minus u. So, which t you have to change, you get a confusion. That is why it is converted to some other variable u, integrate it. In the integration, substitute upper limit to be t. Okay, so that is the reason it is given, the formula is given to be like this. First problem, find the L inverse of s square divided by s squared plus a squared into s squared plus b squared by using convolution. The same it can be done using partial fraction also. I'm not saying only by partial fraction or convolution or differential equation. Differential equation is a different type. That will be the last video. So it can be done using derivative or integral. So problem wise it will be changing on. One single problem, it can be applied for a multiple methods. Okay, you can apply it. It's not wrong at all. If they did not give in the question, particularly they did not mention anything, so it is your choice. You can do it by anything, partial fraction or normal procedure, normal Laplace or inverse Laplace, anything, your option. Inverse means inverse only, Laplace means Laplace, you have to apply. Any method it can be applied. But particularly mentioned convolution means only the same question can be done partial fraction also. But you should not do it. But it is mentioned to be convolution. We have to do the question to be in the convolution only. So what is the solution? First step, I will write the term, separate it and write, which is f, which is g, separate it and write. So I will write the formula again, L inverse of f of x into g of x is nothing but L inverse of f of x star convolution L inverse of g of x. Now separate the question. According to our question, f of x you write s divided by s square plus a square, because I have s square term. So again one more s divided by s square plus b square. After writing, check in the question, both are same. Multiply and check, then only you have to proceed on. Okay, yes, multiply and check, yes, same question only. Now apply it. Only left I have written as per the question. Now right I am going to bring it as per this. So s divided by s squared plus a squared star of L inverse of s divided by s squared plus b squared. We know the formula for this. What is the formula? S divided by s squared plus a squared is nothing but cos at. This s divided by s squared plus b squared is cos bt. So what is the answer I am getting? Cos at star cos bt. This is my f of t. This is my g of t. Check in the question, f of t into g of t. Now I have it that I have to write it of this format, integral 0 to t. I have to write. So now when I write it, integral 0 to t f of u, I should not write it t, don't do only that mistake. Okay, cos a u, only t should be replaced by u. Okay, f of u. Okay, I know f of t to be cos at. So f of u is cos au. Okay, same way. G of t I know to be cos bt. So g of t minus u. Okay. So cos of b minus u. B into t minus cos of b as it is Instead of t, t minus u. Okay, this is the way I have to write it. So cos au, cos of b, okay, t minus u into du. Now everyone know cos a, cos b. Cos a, cos b. What is the formula? 1 by 2 cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. You don't remember the formula means I have everything. I have provided the formulas in my first video. Check in this unit first video. All the formulas has been taken as a video. Okay, check my first video. Integral 0 to t. Now when I write it 1 by 2 cos of a plus b. So cos of a plus b is nothing but cos of au plus bt minus bu plus cos of au minus bt plus bu into du. Now any term is get cancelling. You check s is not get cancelling. So I will write it as 1 by 2 is taken constant outside integral 0 to t. Okay, now cos of we'll write this both are same variable, so I will write as a minus b u plus bt. The same way cos of a plus b u minus bt into du. Okay, now separate it, then integrate it, substitute your upper limit and lower limit, we will get the answer. That only I am going to do. So now what I know, so separate it. 0 to t cos of a minus b u plus bt into du ஒரு term plus 0 to t cos of a plus b into u minus bt another term into du. Integrate it. Cos integration is sine, okay, divided by the corresponding constant. So minus 1 by 2 cos is sine, okay, sine a minus b into u plus bt divided by the corresponding constant, which is constant. Which variable you are doing? With respect to u variable only you are doing. Corresponding constant is a minus b. So limit is 0 to t. Okay, so both I will take 0 to t or separate also it's okay. Same this. So sine of a plus b u minus bt divided by the corresponding constant a plus b. So 0 to t. Okay, completed now. So now completed. Now substitution only, very careful. Okay, we have to substitute it instead of u. Okay, t keep it as it is. Okay, instead of u I have to substitute it t. Okay, when I substitute it 1 by 2, first I will substitute upper limit for the first variable sine a minus b t plus bt constant a minus b as it is minus lower limit of sine 0 plus bt. Okay, sine bt because this is 0. Sine bt divided by a minus b. Completed first term. Same is second term plus sine a plus b u is replaced with t. So t minus bt divided by a plus b minus sine, again it is 0. Sine minus theta is sine minus theta minus bt is nothing but minus sine bt. So already one minus symbol plus it becomes sine bt divided by a plus b. We are getting 4 terms. You check in this which term will get cancelled. B will get cancelled. In this any term must get cancelled. As in this also B will get cancelled. Okay, so I will separate it and write now. So now when I separate it and write half, I will be having sine AT divided by A minus B minus sin BT divided by A minus B plus sin AT divided by A plus B plus sin BT divided by A plus B I am getting. Okay. You can leave it as it is, or more simplification means you have to take a LCM. This both are same variable, you take a LCM. This both are same variable, take a LCM and you can do it the simplification. We will do that. So A squared minus B squared is a LCM for first two term. So when I take it, it's nothing but so A plus B into sin AT plus A minus B into sin AT. Same way in this second term, A squared minus B squared, when I take it LCM, again I will be getting already one minus symbol, minus sin BT, which term is missing, A plus B is missing, plus A minus B is missing into sin BT. Which term get cancelled? You have to check sin BT, sin AT get cancelled in this. Minus sin BT B term get cancelled. A term get cancelled. A plus here A minus. So A term get cancelled in this. So our final answer will be 1 by 2. Both are sin 80. According to the both also, this nothing but 2 times. So 2 times of A sin 80 minus symbol minus 2B sin BT divided by A squared minus B squared. Again, when I do a simplification, 2 get cancelled. This 2 get cancelled. So final answer will be A sin AT minus B sin BT divided by A square minus B square is our final answer for the n inverse. Thank you.